Investors staying cautiously optimistic, even with tensions in the Middle East and continued uncertainty over the impact of tariffs. That is according to the latest sentiment survey out of Investopedia. Editor-in-chief Caleb Silver is here to break down the results. Caleb, always good to see you. We've had you on with these results time and time again. It feels like the investors showing a little bit more apprehension when it comes to the markets finally. More apprehension, but also kind of stuck in the middle. You got skepticism on the left, optimism on the right. They're stuck in the middle here wondering, what should we do but keep investing? 51% say they're not making any changes to their portfolio. Only 24% are saying they're investing less. So they're kind of stuck, buying a lot of the same names, though we do see some people sort of stepping out with some newer names. They think 51% say the market is overvalued, especially AI stocks. But you look inside their portfolio, a lot of AI stocks in there, and the stocks that they've been buying, a lot of new AI stocks, too. Yeah, so the old names, NVIDIA, Apple, Microsoft, but also Berkshire Hathaway was interesting to me. Oklo is in Qubit, so they're in quantum computing, too. Yeah, when you look at their top holdings, they look just like the top of the S&P 500, right? Like the top of the NASDAQ 100, except for Berkshire Hathaway, which tells us it's probably an older investor that's held that for a while. The Buffett premium may be fading, but they're still holding it. But we like to look also at what they're buying outside of the 401ks. We like to look at Vanda Research for that. Oklo, that nuclear power company, super popular. QBTS, the D-Wave computing company, quantum computing company, and then quantum computing, also popular with individual investors who've been fading a little bit the Magnificent Seven lately, but still keep buying, continue to look for opportunities, and are wondering what the next surprise is going to be, because we've had one just about every week. We love when you come on, concerns that people have, foreign policy, but here's one that you probably haven't seen in a long time. Threats to the Fed's independence showed up. Yeah. Is that interesting to you? It's interesting to me. It is. And when we ask them, do you approve of the way the Fed is handling monetary policy? Over 60% say yes. And this came right out. We started surveying right after the meeting last week and through the weekend, through this entire conflict. So these are kind of fresh on their mind. They approve of the way Fed Chair Powell and the Fed has been doing things lately, even though that's not exactly what you hear down on Pennsylvania Avenue. All right, Caleb, the emoji meter. It's amazing. Yeah. 1%, though, is YOLO. You know what that is, Guy? YOLO? I don't. Yeah, it's just basically you're all in on everything. Yeah. When I was a kid, we see Rolos. It's like a yodel, but you can only have it once. YOLO is like the most optimistic you can be about stocks. All right, so in the last couple months, we've seen Circle IPO, we've seen CoreWeave. These things have gone to the moon. Are you seeing demand for more IPOs? Yeah, definitely. And people are looking for more opportunities. Only about 1 in 10 own crypto, but if you look at what they would buy, and this is Melissa's favorite question, with an extra 10 grand, that's finally creeping up the list. And when we ask people, what asset classes do you think will perform best under the Trump administration? It's stocks, U.S. stocks, and then it's crypto right underneath that. So it tells you where people think the future is headed. They still like CDs and high-yield savings. Yeah, and that's the defense talking to you, but it's not top again. People, when you see stocks at the top of the list, you know people are ready to get a little bit more promiscuous, either buy the dips in their favorite names or buy some of these newer AI stocks that have sort of crushed the scene in the last couple of years.